What does that mean?
Dude, I can float.
Watch.
Where'd you come from? Get out of here. Get off my bed. Dude, what if this was the floor and, like, we were, like, floating? You know how cool that'd be? Where'd your hand come from? You're my slave now. What's up, slavey? Dude, I'm gonna start saying that to Corey.
Mr. Slavey. Mr. Slavey.
Uh-oh.
What?
One of our lights went retarded.
You turned it off.
I did?
Yeah.
When did I do that? You wish you could hover like so. Also, you know, ow, that's the ceiling, dude. And, like, see, it's all high up there, and like, it's really low, and then also it's like touching your bed. That's my bed over there.
My foot get eaten.
Oh, hold on. Ow. Walk this way. Walk this way.
You can't even see anything.
I can see you. I can see the bridge. Maybe if the light was on, I could see the bridge better. I tripped over that earlier, and I almost fell off the side. Damn. And the side goes down there. And over there, there's a light. It's a lot better in the daytime, because this fat boy isn't laying down. I don't know what's going on. Ow. Earlier, I was being attacked by wasps.
Rasps.
Yeah. Dude, that cat needs to come over here. That, the one from your sister's house, the one that kept, like, popping out of nowhere. It used its magical stoner powers to pop out of nowhere. She's like, whoa. My hands are amazing. If you don't believe me, you should look at them. Hold on. Like, you can't tell, but I'm moving my hands, and then it shows it on camera like 5 seconds later. To trip you guys out, I'm gonna go like. It's like a nice soothing ocean. Yeah. What are you looking at? What are you doing here? Did I say you could come? No, you can't really see him because there's a radio and stuff in the way, but he's over there looking at me. Yeah, he's that kid. You can fly. What light? There's a light on here?
Yeah.
How?
The button.
There's a button. Where's the light button?
Okay button.
Where's the okay button? Oh. No light's coming on.
Keep pressing buttons. Don't press every button but the big one.
Okay, that didn't work. That didn't work. That didn't work.